Hi, welcome. Simon here, and I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how to do a screen replacement on an iPhone 11 Pro. What I'm doing right now, I'm just covering up the picture of the my client's background, so I'm not sure to try to show you guys. But this is 11 Pro. As you can see, that the crack started right around here, and then it goes all across the screen. So it's still working, but yeah, we want to change out the screen. So I have the screen replacement here ready, and this is 11 Pro. Let's go ahead and get started. Here I have the Pentalobe P2 screwdriver, which is the 0.8. So this is a 0.8 Pentalobe P2. We need to remove the two screws here at the bottom. Once you have removed the two screws, go ahead and get yourself a metal prying tool. We want to stick in between right about this much, not too much, not too deep, because you do not want to break anything internally. So try not to stick it too deep. Right about this much is good. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to cut the adhesive, because the phone is water resistant, meaning that there's a water seal that is all around the phone, which is, prevent the water or the dust coming into the phone. So make sure that this prying tool allows you to cut that seal up, and then you can just flip it to your right. At this point here, get yourself a Try screwdriver or the Y screwdriver. We want to remove some of the screws here in order to get to the bracket and disconnect the battery. So let's remove some of the screw here now. Okay, once you have done that process, the next step is to get the bracket off the phone. Get yourself a plastic prying tool. Let's pry open the battery. Alright, so that is the battery connector. We just disconnected it, and let's go ahead and start disconnecting the LCD screen. So let's go ahead and disconnect that cable, this cable, and the front proximity sensor, and the ear speaker is on the top here. Okay, so we disconnected 3 cable including the battery, so there would be 4 cables. And now we're using the Y screwdriver again. We got to transfer the proximity sensor, which is this guy right here, over to the new screen. So the screen is just the screen itself. It doesn't come with the proximity sensor with the ear speaker, so we're going to do that part. Now what I like to do is I like to transfer the entire plastic. This is the bracket here that is holding down the proximity sensor cable. You see the new screen doesn't come with it, and this one has it. So if your new screen has it, you can just transfer that thing, but mine doesn't have it, so I'm stripping down the entire thing from the very bottom all the way, and we're going to transfer it over. Okay, as you can see, I just removed it, and that is the old screen. So let's recap. Make sure that you have everything in a one position, intact like this. Move it over. Like so. And make sure the bracket is aligned in the position. We have 3 screws that you need to go on top. Okay. The screws are really tiny. Okay, now it's just time to put them back all together. To the very first one I installed, that is for the proximity sensor, and the other 2 here, the top and the bottom, is for your LCD screen. Okay, and lastly the battery. Have the bracket back on top. And all the screws are going back in. Make sure you have the bracket for your battery placed back in the right position, and have the 2 screws to go back in to secure that bracket. Just have to take your time. If you're not too sure, you can always pause the video, go back and watch it again. And if you have any question, please comment below. I do read your comments, and I will try to answer any of your questions here. But if you're interested with the repair and you want to do it yourself, go ahead and check the link in the description below. What I'll do is I'll link them where you can buy it from directly from Amazon or eBay, so you can find the right tools and the right parts and follow along the video for your repair. It is very straightforward and simple. As you can see, it's taking me about 10 minutes for this repair, and I'm sure you can do it by yourself. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to align the 3 little metal clipper on the very top. Just tug it in and then just press it the side, and have the 2 screws back in. Alright, so that is pretty much it. And we just change out the iPhone 11 Pro screen, and There you go. So hopefully this video is helpful. If you find the video is helpful, please go ahead and like the video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best and good luck with the repair. Okay, so it's still booting up the Apple logo, and bye now.